Okay, so now we're going to take a closer look on how to install the ICSW22B, but before that, just a few points to highlight. This is a single socketed 22 kilowatt charge point. You can see the charge point is on the side of the unit as opposed to being on the front. Can be post mounted, as you can see in this example here, or wall mounted as well. And you can actually wire this to L1 to act as a single phase unit if you like. I'm going to open the unit up now and take a closer look at how to install. Okay, so we've got the unit opened up here. As you can see, RCD is here on this unit. To access that, you've got the key underneath the unit here, which comes included in the packaging. Okay, taking a closer look, you can see that it's got its very own MID meter in here as well. And like I said in the intro video, you can actually wire this unit to act as a single phase unit should you wish, but it is designed as a three phase unit. So that's the ICSW22B.